Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to check battery health. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check your battery health of your laptop, the first method that you can use is simply head over to the taskbar and you can hover over your battery icon, and that will show your battery status right here like 85% as it is showing mine. Or you can simply right click on it and then you'll find an option that says power and sleep settings. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here your battery health and percentages will be displayed right here. The next method that you can use is using a third-party app. To do it, simply head over to your browser, then on the search bar type in battery info view and then simply hit enter. Then select the first thing that is shown to you, and here you need to download the battery info app. And then once you're downloaded and installed on your laptop, this app will give a detailed battery info like current capacity, design capacity, charge cycles, and battery wear level. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.